G'day guys, Nick here from Cpap Reviews. I hope you're sleeping well. Now have I got an offer for you. It's the end of financial year here in Australia and I've been doing this gig for a long time now and I've seen my fair share of Cpap specials, but I haven't seen one this kick-ass in a long time. So I'm pretty pumped to share it with you, as you can probably tell. So for the next week or up until June 30th, if you purchase a Z2 Auto travel Cpap machine, the best travel Cpap machine on the market, it's going to come included with the extended life PowerShell battery system. The ultimate battery system. So it's normally valued at $599, yours for free with any Z2 order. So you can grab your little machine, slip it in, and then boom, you're ready to go on any adventure. It really is the perfect travel Cpap machine. All right, now you're also going to need with it a little travel case, of course. So that's why we're including for free as well, normally $89, this wicked little premium travel Cpap bag by RemSleep. It's a beautiful bag. It's got nice compartments. It's nice and padded, so it's going to protect your gear, but it's just perfect size, really. You can put your machine, your PowerShell, your tubing, you put your mask in there, zip it up, and then boom, you're ready to go on any adventure. Now, I know no one's really traveling at the moment, but look, it's only going to be a matter of time before the borders reopen. And now's the perfect time to get yourself a little travel Cpap machine at a massive discount. So when those borders open up again, you're ready to go, okay? There's free international posts. So for those of you in the US, the UK, wherever you're watching, you can get this package delivered from Melbourne via Auspost. It's going to take around 5 to 12 business days and we'll ship it to you wherever you are in the world for free. All right, now I should let you know that there's only 20 units available for this offer, okay? So there's not a whole lot. So make sure if you are looking to get one that you don't wait around too long because there's a good chance you're going to miss out. Now I'll put a link in the description of the video where you can pick up this incredible offer. And if you use my name when you're checking out in the coupon section, that's NICK, you're actually going to get another discount on top of that, just as a little thank you from me to you for watching, liking, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. All right, I'll also put in the description of the video all the links to my other Z2 videos, just to give you a little bit more understanding, a little bit more knowledge about this incredible Cpap machine that's just perfect for travel. Anyway, look, I'll leave it at that. I hope you're doing well. This offer's not going to last very long, so be nice and quick and get in there and secure one for yourself. And look, I wish you all the best for the future. I know it's challenging times for many of you, but just do your best and I'll see you on the other side. Take care, sleep well, all the best from here in Australia. Cheers.